shattered asphalt ground, a dead dog lying where no peace is found. The Gila wind still whispers the same old lies beneath the empty canvas of these skies. Came back here shackled, not a prodigal son. My race was over before it had begun. Prairie roads, you saw my first breath drawn. Prairie roads, you'll watch me till I'm gone. Every grain of this dust is clinging to my skin. The return of your bad seed, born to never win. The faces in the trailers, they all look the same, haunted by a history whispering my name. They see my father's anger, my mother's regret. Every ghost I ran from is the one I've met. This land's an open cage, you're free to see the bars, stuck between the gutter and the distant stars. Prairie roads, you saw my first breath drawn. Prairie roads, you'll watch me till I'm gone. Every grain of this dust is clinging to my skin. The return of your bad seed, born to never win. From my office window, see my own reflection. An old man rolling over his own infection. His throne power's a slow disease. Every dollar that I make rustles like dying leaves. I wanted to be Moses, to lead them all away, but I became the Pharaoh, has forced them all to stay. This is the chief's burden. This crown is my own chain, to protect all my people by cultivating their pain. I wear a suit and tie, but my hands are painted red, and every choice I've made follows me to bed. What you fought for, a palace built on suffering. Outside my locked door, I traded in my conscience for a casino and a truce. What's the life of one good woman when there's a nation to produce? But in the quiet moments when the whiskey doesn't bite, it's your face that I see staring from the long and empty night. This is the chief's burden. This crown is my own chain, to protect all my people by cultivating their pain. I wear a suit and tie,